Tommee Tippee manual breast pump comes with everything you need to express, store and feed your Express breast milk. Before you use your pump, remember to separate, wash and sterilise each component. You can use one of the steam sterilisers from the Closer to Nature range, or you can try the compact steriliser box that comes with your manual breast pump. For the full step-by-step, watch our video on how to clean your manual breast pump. So once your pump has been cleaned and reassembled, you're ready to start expressing. You'll find it easiest to express in a relaxed and familiar setting. So once you've found a spot to settle down, attach the cup to your breast. Try to ensure that the silicone insert of the horn is over your breast to create a secure seal all the way around. When you squeeze the handle, you'll feel the suction. When you release the handle, the valve will open and allow milk into the bottle. Try to imitate the rhythm of your baby as they feed. You don't need to squeeze hard, just as much as is comfortable. The amount of milk you express and the time it takes may vary. This is normal. When you express, you'll usually be able to produce 30 to 75 mils or 1 to 3 ounces, and it may take up to half an hour to drain full breasts. But the first few times you do this, the quantity might be less. Make sure you finish expressing before hitting the 150 ml mark on the bottle, the 50 ml mark on the Tommee Tippee storage pot, or the 180 ml mark on an Express and Go pouch. Then unscrew the bottle or pouch and seal it. You can keep this milk at room temperature for use within the next 6 hours, store in the fridge for use within the next 6 days, or freeze to use in the next 6 months.
It's quick and easy to put together Lansino's manual breast pump, a portable and convenient option for occasional breast pumping or on the go. Remember to always wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water before handling any of the pump's parts. The first step is to insert the stem into the silicone diaphragm, then place these onto the pump body. Make sure it fits securely around the rim by pressing down gently with your fingers. Next, you need to secure the white valve onto the pump from underneath, making sure the white valve is flush with the pump body. Then screw the bottle onto the pump body. Align the groove in the handle with the stem on the first notch and gently press the handle down until you hear it click for the letdown phase. Then attach the Comfort Fit breast flange to the pump body. To make the pump completely stable, insert the bottle into the stand provided. For the expression phase, push the front of the handle so it rests on the second notch of the stem. After expressing, you can attach the storage cap to store your breast milk in the fridge or freezer. Caregivers can attach the natural wave nipple to the bottle to feed the baby when mom is away.
Hi, I'm Jessica. I'm the proud mom of 4 wonderful children, and all were breastfed. I'm here to tell you why the NUK manual breast pump is a great alternative to other brands. After breastfeeding 4 children, believe me, I know what's important to look for in a breast pump. First, the pump can achieve high suction levels. You have direct control over the level of suction by the pressure that you apply to the pump handle. Second, the pump handle is ergonomically designed to help minimize hand fatigue, which creates a more comfortable pumping experience. The pump also only weighs 5.5 ounces, so it's extremely lightweight to hold. And lastly, the breast cushion is made up of a soft, non-stick silicone for a comfortable, warm feel against your skin. Moms love this pump. Here are some great testimonials. I get better and faster results with using this pump than my electric one. Great purchase for the price. It's proven to be durable, it has a strong suction, and does just what it needs to. Overall, the NUK manual breast pump is the perfect pump to help you pump easily and successfully, wherever you are, at home, at work, running errands, visiting at a friend's house, or traveling.
As a breastfeeding mom, only you can provide what's best for your baby. When you're choosing a breast pump, consider how often you'll be pumping. A manual pump designed for occasional use, the Medela Harmony is great as a backup to your Medela double electric pump. Harmony's small, lightweight design makes it easy to transport discreetly when you're away from baby for a short time.
I absolutely love the Medela Harmony breast pump. It's portable. I can put it in my purse or my diaper bag and bring it along with me and pump on the go. Since I do stay at home, I just need something quick and easy, and that is exactly how I would describe the Harmony pump.
Harmony is the only manual breast pump with research-based two-phase expression technology that mimics a baby's natural nursing pattern. It's proven to produce more milk in less time. Two-phase pumping with Harmony is achieved by using two different hand positions on the handle. The soft-touch, ergonomic swivel handle makes manual pumping comfortable. The convenient bottle stand provides a secure home for your expressed breast milk. Easy to assemble, small and lightweight, Harmony is an occasional use breast pump for your pumping lifestyle.
The reason I use the Medela Harmony is because I'm a stay-at-home mom and I don't need to pump on a regular basis. I pump when I'm going to be away from my children for a longer period of time, but usually that's not that often, so I carry it with me though wherever I go just in case. I love that I can use it wherever I am without having to find an electrical outlet.
Portable and discreet, with research-based technology, Medela's Harmony breast pump helps you stay connected by providing what's best for your baby, even when you're not there.